Zhejiang Oulun Electric Company Limited was established in 2005 and located in Hangzhou City, where it takes 45 minutes from Shanghai by train. We rolled design, R&D, manufacture, sales, and service into one. We have ISO 9001 certified since 2013. We have 137,000 square meter factory with annual capacity 2 million units and more than 1,000 staffs. Our products all own certificates such as CE, ETL, CETL, SAA, KC, PSE. We totally have 10 invention patents, 165 technical patents, 2017 to 2018 2 years Quality Golden Wheat Quality Award, and National High-Tech Enterprise. We have 10 production lines, including 2 lines of R290, 7 compose production line, and 3 raw material workshops, such as condenser and evaporator workshop, 39 units plastic injection machine workshop, metal housing workshop. We also have our own industry standard quality control lab, which include 2 enthalpy testing labs and 1 noise control lab. Our products have sold domestic and overseas, such as United States, UK, EU countries, such as Germany, Italy, France, Russian, Middle East, such Dubai, Southeast Asian, such as Korea, Japan. We have overseas warehouse in Germany, US. Every year, we would develop more than 10 models to satisfy the online sales inside or outside of China. We welcome our domestic and overseas customer to visit our factory from real site or from our living show.